It's Brandon Alexander from Ontario Motor Sales. This is our 2011 certified pre-owned Chevrolet Impala LS. White in color, has a beige interior, 3.6 liter V6 engine, and sits on 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. On the driver's side door, you've got your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlamps, cruise controls there on your steering wheel. Kilometers on the vehicle are 79,008. Moving over to your middle console, AM, FM, CD player, audio jack, air conditioning, automatic transmission, and it is equipped with OnStar. Making your way to the rear of the vehicle, you've got that two-tone black on beige interior, your beige cloth interior, tan, whichever color you like to use to call it. 60/40 split folding seats. Does have an armrest with 2 cup holders for your rear passengers, and it does seat 3 people. One of the great features of this vehicle is the trunk space. Enormous. You fit tons of objects in there: luggage, hockey bags, golf clubs. For more information on this vehicle, please email sales@ontariomotorsales.com or call toll-free 1-877-710-CHEV.